Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Those that are waiting for you to fail, they will wait forever. Those that imagine that you will be crying for a long time, they will wait forever. People of God, nobody stays with God and comes out empty now. And now, people of God, everything that happened today was not what I did not know. Every prayer you heard us pray today, I did not prepare for one. As soon as I came in, the Holy Spirit took over. The Holy Spirit took over. So if any prayer affected you today, you already have your evidence.